Okay, let's go. About 20 seconds to go for open. I split the screen. We got footprint going on the one side now, so don't worry about it. I did not plot the lines for 1 minute, but let's see. We're gonna do that. Right. Obviously direction is up for NQ here. And we have MES down. I need to move this thing. Okay. And we have, okay, this low could be something. Just gonna, right? Right, pick up the power, they defeat, it's switching, okay. So I wanna see here, they exhausted, right? But this is before, so get taken out, okay. So what we can do now is this. It's a bit not enough, but clearly getting exhausted at the top there. So we can change to this. Yeah, I know. MES1. There we are. A lot of volume, buying it up. Did we buy it? Yeah, okay, good. Alright. Going up there. And I wanted to get this going, but it's working good for the MES version, but M&Q has so many levels, so I can't really see. They got, yeah, should get follow through, but hey. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So maybe we should actually get more screen to this side, and maybe we should actually compress it slightly to make it better. This is auto adjusted though. The really thick colors is big volume, and the highlighted boxes is exhaustion. So this is just pure yeah, delta and volume here. So we have engulfing at the open, boom, retracing here. Also, this is nothing yet. We need to figure out what's going on here with the MES. Let's see, let's see. Is that going to hold? How should I know? How should I know? Does not look like it, huh? Look at that go. Wow, big sellers, yeah. First bar engulfing at the open, and it was incorrect. Well, hey. But yeah, we changed to the downside now, and we are now looking for shorts. Should have gotten something there, but yeah. Okay. Let's see. And we wait. No reason to enter there, and also, yeah, no reason to enter. This is in the way actually. Big sellers on MES. Yeah. And exhausted. It's not a signal for me to enter, but I'm just saying like that's some big pressure down. Right. Would like to though, huh? Look at this. Barely can't see that. That's a lot of cells. Wow. Okay, let's see if we can get it going like this. Okay. Oh yeah, that's the level. This level should be interesting to take out, and we did take it, and yeah, good. And this is what I want after. Right. So the idea is, I want to try to find something instead of footprint, instead of big trades, and I found that I could see some information on the footprint, which is there, right? But yeah, I haven't really decided what to do with it, you know. Let's see. Okay. Instead of big trades, let me just okay. And yeah, no follow through there, and yeah, we could be shorting this soon. This is actually the Deep Charts platform, but it's the web version, right? And yeah. Just waiting for it. Short there, yeah. Let's see. Do we have anything I can actually see here? Okay. Right. So, is there anything down there? This is the right one. Just waiting for. I just wanted to check. Okay, we're filled. Yeah, it's okay. It's correct. Just wanted to see what's up. And so. Writing it down. Right, so now the rule is, when we see increasing strength, I should move the stop down only once, and this should be the spot to do that. It's a bit silly, the first move, but just the math is there, so that's what I figured out. Right, so now we're lower, and yeah, they try to sell the MNQ. Maybe we'll sell it again. Maybe we will sell it. Retracing there. Yeah. Yeah. That's a power switch, the old pattern over there. This is an old pattern I used to trade. A power switch. We change direction with more volume. I don't anymore. Right. So we have some increasing volume. Looks like, yeah. With the MES, can we get a push down? Let's see what the M&Q does. Actually, I keep looking at the footprint all the time. Right, so it's going into it. Maybe we will short here. We'll see. Oh wow, divergence. Oh, that's not an entry. Okay. They keep selling. They keep selling. Yeah. That's the second attempt on M&Q over there. And some greens. Yeah, yeah. I saw it became green and yeah, instantly got hammered. Yeah. Again. Keep the eye on MES now, what happens below. If we touch below again. If we touch below this. Wow, the buyers. Wow. Did it go below? I'm not sure, but doesn't really want to go there, huh? Yeah. So next level is here. If we want to short the M&Q, we have to scrape this or fully switch it. Not sure what I think about actually these highlighted things. I was thinking it could be like instead of the delta, the bubbles, right? But I'm not too sure. They're trying. Yeah. So if this is correct and this is light, they should collect energy here. I keep thinking that is actually that's not good. We need to turn that off. It's called volume cluster, and it's not really doing what I want, so turning it off. What I really would like is like the bubbles. Yeah. MNQ creating some sort of intra switch to the downside. Yeah. Right. It's not a signal on MNQ to enter though. But I'm thinking down. Wow, that's a big reaction. Remember what I said before? As soon as we came here, boom, big reaction, and big reaction here as well. Let's just gonna wait a few seconds for the MES, but I want to check the big chart now. Right. Okay. Checking 15. Okay, we're down below. So obviously here, right? Yeah. That's where my TP is at as well. Yeah. Okay. Obvious retracement. Yeah. Okay. Some big volume there. Yeah. Should I trail to that? That's the question. Maybe in the future I'll start doing that. Maybe I shouldn't. Yeah. That's a strong level on MNQ. Wow, my stop is pretty close there. Hey. Yeah. Okay. And this bar closing, we changed direction to long. There. Changed it to here. Okay. Right. See, it's not an obvious switching pattern, so I don't really find it too obvious, but I want to I want to buy it. Yeah, well, it's not clean, and I want to buy it. Yeah. M&Q is way cleaner, but it's not above yet. And buys at the high, got exhausted, yeah, there. Retrace, yeah, it's the better move, I guess. Okay. Is M&Q going to confirm upside now? Waiting for it. Only the MES switched so far, but yeah. Okay. So 1 more minute. Okay. Let's see what we get on MES. Can we get something? Okay, MLQ's building up for a switch. MES is not actually because the close is lower. So the read was incorrect, but the switch is correct. Let's see. MNQ looks good for long. Yeah. If we get that. Waiting for it. I only have 3 trades, so yeah, okay. You gotta target something way up here. Not really sure. That's 3 trades, I can't touch more, but I want to long the MES here. I want to long it above here on a pending. Let's see on the 15 what we can find. Yeah, okay, above those highs. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, not bad. It's not bad. Okay, sit on 1 minute to see if we can trail the MNQ. I mean, if it trails for the correct reason, then we can continue. But we can't. Without that, we can't. And yeah, MES, like I said, I want a pending order above here. And yeah, that would be removed right now, so it wouldn't be filled. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Waiting to see the reaction at the highs here. Let's see if we get there. Yeah, and as soon as we print a bit higher, yeah, I get the delta there. Okay. Also, I'm gonna point out that there's an engulfing pattern here. And there's a case for entering long on the engulfing pattern, just with a market order, right? But I don't have enough positions to do it. But otherwise, MES is looking good for market long. That's not enough power for me to adjust the stop. It would be good if they could confirm that high, but yeah. Just writing it out. It's increasing volume, I think. Look at MES getting rejected at lows there. I'm gonna wait for the 20 seconds to play out to see. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed at all, actually. Yeah, it touched it, I can see. Again, they try to push MES up. But if they can push it, yeah. This is where I want to see the bubbles appear here, right? On another screen I have some volume indication, and yeah, I can see some there, but it's not really the same. Yeah. Not impressed. Yeah. Do wonder, can I actually... I'm not gonna mess with this setup right now, but I want to try some settings. I think the M&Q is done. And that means also that I am done. But, I mean, you never know, but... We wait. Maybe I should have been long there. Actually, no, that's a short. 1, 2, nah. It's a long. Just talking to myself, trying to figure out if I actually did the right thing. Yeah. And it looks like MES should be short, but yeah, what do I know at this point? Yeah, right? Yeah. The buyer's really losing the M&Q, yeah. Yeah, big red. There we are. Yeah. That's me done. Okay, just looking at okay. Right, that's 3 for 3. What can I say? And I'm just gonna put this in the log and we'll see where we go from there. Tomorrow should be a new day. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow, I guess.